Hey, I'm Ronnie with Fire District 1. I'm a district chief here. We bring y'all our new unit, our new tender that we're going to be putting in service real soon. I'm going to give you some little brief rundown on the truck and a little bit about the processes. We started this process of speccing out this unit about 18 months ago. The process is pretty long. We start out with a set of drawings and some plans, and we go back and forth with the manufacturer and then the build times into that. This truck is unique. It's not just a standard fire truck, it's a tanker. It carries a little bit more water than the average fire truck. And it's to better suit the needs of the district and the areas. This particular station truck is going to a station that doesn't have a good water supply in the area. So our district has put things in place like buying the correct apparatus to bring water to the scene with us. So this truck right here has a tank that's got 3,000 gallons of water on it, and it's actually got a 1,500 GPM pump. The seating capacity on this unit's 5. Obviously we have a driver, an operator, a captain who's kind of in charge, and we actually can seat 3 firefighters in the back. You can see compartmentation is real important with this unit. When we spec out a unit, we go through the processes. We make sure that it can fit not only all the stuff in the cab that we carry, but in the compartments as well. Something unique about this truck that I mentioned earlier, different areas don't really have a good water system. So this truck being a tender, it carries a lot of water, but it also has the capabilities of 2 large tanks on each side of it. The tanks go in this fold-down compartment right here. I'll show you the tank on the other side of the unit, but how to access it. You come to the back of the truck and you can lower down the tank. Okay, I talked about this truck bringing water to the scene and the fact that it actually holds 3,000 gallons. And the tanks that are on the side, this truck has two fold-outs on each side, which both carry a 4,000 gallon collapsible water tank. This allows our fire district a lot of options in setting up the use of this truck at a fire scene. We're able to actually set these tanks up on the ground, drop the water from the tender, and leave to go get more water, leaving the water that was brought on the ground. And then our other units can come in and also drop the water. So this right here is one of the tanks that unfolded that was located in that side. You can see there's a lot of moving parts with putting the truck in service. Currently right now what they're doing is they're loading the LDH, our large diameter supply line, into the back of the unit. It has a full complement of hose. We get full credit for our Class A engine with this truck, a tender. So it's got hose, it's got ladders, and it has water. We also have to program radios and get the required new unit training. That's all we do. Yeah. We've actually purchased 2 of these units. This particular unit, Tender 14, is going to the station located on Steel Road. And we also have another unit exactly to this one, Tender 18, which goes on North Shore Boulevard out there towards the Bel Air airport area. These units have a lot of working parts in the spec'ing process, making sure that we maximize our PIL credit and that we get the biggest bang to the buck for the public, because we want to get the unit that fits the public the best, and of course watching the overall cost, making sure that we stay within our budget.